All right, with our chicken, I'm gonna add 4 onions that I slivered. Oh yeah. Okay, just kind of flatten that out. Next, I'm bringing in my button mushrooms. Right in there, we're gonna use about 1.5 container. We kind of just want like a layer right on top. Perfect. Next, I'm coming in with my frozen spinach. And these will all shrink down and we'll get a good, amount in our crock pot. I know this seems like a lot, but this is gonna be perfect. Next, I'm gonna add 4 cups of rice.
Okay, now I'm interested.
This is gonna be so good, such an easy and quick dinner. We're gonna season this up with some salt. Perfect. Some black pepper. Freeze-dried thyme. Just a nice little sprinkle of each of our seasoning. You can adjust your seasonings how you like. You can swap any out or leave it or substitute for anything. And then I'm gonna grab some minced garlic. The recipe does call for fresh garlic, but you guys know I like it easy. And we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of garlic in here. And don't worry, we're gonna give this a good mix. Now I'm gonna add my chicken stock. So it's not chicken broth, it's chicken stock. And this is the unsalted version. And we're gonna use this whole entire box of stock. This is gonna help cook up that rice. It's gonna help, add some flavor to all those veggies that we put in there. This is gonna be incredible. Okay, go ahead and get this whole thing in there. Perfect. Now that's not all the liquids we're gonna use. We're also gonna add some heavy cream. We're gonna add about 1 cup of this heavy cream in there. This is gonna add some delicious flavor. Okay, this thing is ready to be stirred. We wanna make sure everything gets well combined. Oh my, with those onions, that chicken, the mushrooms, the spinach, all of that goodness, the rice. Oh, this is gonna be a take on a classic that I think you guys will absolutely love. You can do this in the oven, but I love my crock pot, especially during the winter time. It just warms my soul. Okay, let's make sure this gets well mixed.
Look at all those onions. Look at all that rice, all that spinach.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Delicious. And the crock pot adds so much more moisture than if you did it in the oven, which is why I like to do it this way. But if you just cover your pan when you put it in the oven, then you'll get some good moisture as well. Okay, I'm just kind of flattening this out. Perfect. Now, last thing we're gonna add is some Gruyere cheese.
Ooh.
And we're just gonna sprinkle that right on top of our whole entire crock pot. Ooh, I love this cheese, you guys. And this is just gonna melt beautifully because I hand shred it. Unfortunately, they don't have bags of Gruyere, so you are gonna have to shred yours. And that looks perfect. Ooh, all right, you guys, this is ready to start cooking. Let's grab our lid and we're gonna pop this on low and let it cook slow and low. All right, you guys, it's been 6 hours on low. We're gonna go ahead and turn off our crock pot and let's check it out.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness. We have the onions, the cheese, the mushrooms, the chicken, the rice, the spinach. That was a lot. It's gonna
I'm
be
surprised you remembered all that.
Such a good dinner. Oh my gosh, everything looks perfectly cooked.
Well, those onions are nice and flaccid.
I need some of that cheese on top though. So this is kind of like a take on a French onion soup, but with chicken and rice. So it's not a soup, obviously. It's more of a dinner, and it has all those flavors of French onion. All right, I couldn't find chicken, but this will do. So flavorful, so juicy. You gotta try it.